Convex mirrors. They are used as rear view mirrors in vehicles. These mirrors give erect, diminished images of the object. They also have a wider field of view than plane mirror. Okay, so class, any doubts? No? Okay, then we'll take a quiz. Okay, so let's see the results. Okay, so the correct answer is concave mirror. So many students have pressed convex mirror. Remember, students, it's concave mirror because it gives a larger view of the teeth. Understood? Should we move on then? Okay. So, class, our next topic will be about understanding